The best step-by-step guide on how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free on unsupported PC or laptop. In this best video guide I'm showing to you how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Here you can see I have Windows 10 installed on this PC. First, we have to download Windows 11 image file. To do this, open any web browser that is on your computer. Now type to search download Windows 11 ISO file. Here click on this first link for Microsoft. OK. Now move down on download Windows 11 disk image section. Click on select download. Here choose the Windows 11 file. Click on download now. Here select the language that you would like to use with this Windows 11 file. Click on confirm. Now click on 64-bit download. Here you can see the image has started to download. So, it will take a lot of time according to your internet. OK. For me I already downloaded the image. Click to open it. Now click on setup. Click on yes. Now click on next. Here you will see this option of getting updates. Now here on checking your PC you will see this. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Now in this video I'm showing to you how you can install it. First, open Drive C and then create a new folder. Rename it as Windows Files. Now copy all these files to the Windows Files folder. Done. Now check to confirm where all the files has been copied. After that unmount the other first disk image. Now move to Windows File folder. Up here, right-click and the copy address. Click on Start and then type in CMD. Right-click and then Run as administrator. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied address. Again, add / then type setup.exe. Press spacebar, / then product server. Here you will see the Windows has started the setup. Up here you will see install Windows Server, but it will install the original Windows. So don't worry on about it. Click on Next. It will start to check the Windows. Here you will see it will give you this option, click on Accept. Here choose what you want to keep and then tap on Next. After that it will start getting the updates as you can see the process. If you new please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even click on notification bell. Here it will restart several times. Now once it's done, we go on the next step. Here select your country and click on Yes. Click on Yes. Here click on Skip. Now here, is the tough area of whereby you cannot go any farther. But, to bypass this area, all what you have to do is, on your keyboard press Shift plus F10. The CMD will pop up. Now enter this code. Then press Enter. The PC will restart. OK. Here click on Yes. Click on Skip. Now here you can see we have an option of I don't have internet. Click to continue. Click on Continue with limited setup. Here enter your name and then press on Next. Click on Next. Then it will start the setup. So that's how we can upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 for free, and it's the easiest guide that I have ever made. Let me hope it has helped you. Until next time.